everyone! I think it's my first face-to-camera video on this channel, so if you're new here, hi, welcome, my name is Irit. I actually have another channel that is like a much bigger channel that has been around for several years, and that one is dedicated to my watercolor adventures. But this is my new small channel dedicated, small for now I hope, dedicated to my relatively new obsession of crocheting. I started to crochet at the end of 2020 and became completely addicted. The process is satisfying, relaxing, de-stressing, all the things that I need right now in my life, and I mean, let's face it, who doesn't? And I'm really excited about, you know, sharing my crochet stories and adventures with everyone. I love the online community and I'm really happy that you are here. So let's get started with today's video, the review of this pattern, the Habitat Cardigan. So this is the Habitat Cardigan by Make, Do and Crew, I want to say. This was the first cardigan that I ever made. I've done a couple of sweaters before, but this was the first cardigan. And it has this kind of unique construction where you just make like a rectangle and then you fold it and then you add the front ribbing and the sleeves. I really enjoyed the whole process. There was not a single step that I was like, this is difficult, this is annoying. From start to finish, I really liked it. I used Macaron yarn from Ice Yarns, about 50 gram balls of it, so almost 2 packages. I have 1 ball and a little bit left, and I think I did the medium, so this is quite oversized in style. I think it's a great project for beginners because there are no increases and decreases. It's just the construction of, you know, simple shapes to create this cardigan. I do think you probably need a specific aesthetics to just like the look of it. It feels kind of, you know, oversized, modern, cozy kind of design. So I'm sure the aesthetics won't necessarily be for everyone, but it's definitely an easy pattern. I had no difficulties with it. I really enjoyed it. I love both of the stitches that she uses. There's the stitch for the main rectangle and then there's ribbing for the sleeves and the collar. I like them both, and yeah, I think as for the versatility of this design, I think you could, I don't think you can do a ton with it, but you know, you could make it longer without a problem. You could make the sleeves shorter if you wanted to. That would be really easy. And then with the main rectangle, you could definitely do different stitches. So you could definitely change up the stitch and just reach the measurements of that square which she gives. The instructions are very clear. There are images to help you. The only section that I had any issues was the closing of like the sleeves, and no matter what I did, I admit I didn't really follow the instructions exactly with the seams, but no matter what I did, one side always looked kind of seamless and then the other side had like you could see the seam, and no matter how I tried to turn it, like I did everything I could think of and it still didn't work. I don't know, maybe it's the direction of the stitch or something like that. I'm sure it's me, but that was the only place that I had trouble. So one sleeve here, you can see kind of the seam. Because of the design of the sweater, I don't think it's noticeable, but that was like the only place that I kind of got stuck. The rest was really fast. I think she uses lion brand, something with lion yarn and a 6mm hook. To get the gauge right, I had to use an 8mm hook with Macaron, but that just means that it works up you know, really fast, and I really like it. I can highly recommend if this is kind of your style, if you are just a beginner, or if you just want kind of an easy project that is like simple shapes, really nice stitches. It's a great project to start with. She also has other designs. I've already, seems like I talk about this in every video, but I am going to do next the mezzo, I think it's called the mezzo cardigan. So another cardigan with kind of the same general aesthetics, but different stitches and different construction. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I'm also doing it from like a lighter yarn. So this is really, really warm and kind of a winter cardigan. And I think that's it. If you have any more questions, then please leave me a comment and I'll be happy to answer. I think I said everything I want to say about this. If you want to see more of these reviews, then please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. That really helps other people, new people, to discover my channel, and I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.